Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use the Playful Rewards app and start earning in a simple way. First, download and install the Playful Rewards app from your App Store. Then open it and sign up using your email or preferred login method. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see different earning options. Now tap on the Offers or Games section and choose any game or task that interests you. Each offer will show clear instructions and reward amounts, so read them carefully before starting. Most tasks require you to reach certain levels or complete actions within a time limit. As you complete these tasks, your points will start adding to your balance. Keep checking your progress inside the app to make sure everything is tracking properly. Once you reach the minimum withdrawal amount, go to the Cash Out section and choose your preferred payment method, like PayPal or gift cards. Follow the steps, submit your request, and wait for the processing to complete. Subscribe the channel for more videos.